1998 Lincoln Cent. Welcome back, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are taking a deep dive into T, a modern penny that may seem common but holds hidden value in certain rare varieties and high-grade specimens. Some of these coins have even sold for hundreds or thousands of dollars at auction. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, value, rare errors, and how to sell it for the best price. History of the 1998 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, making it one of the longest-running coin series in U.S. history. The 1998 Lincoln Cent is part of the Memorial Reverse Design, 1959 to 2008, which was replaced in 2009 with the Lincoln Bicentennial series before transitioning to the current Shield Reverse in 2010. By 1998, the U.S. Mint was producing billions of pennies per year, but despite its high mintage, certain rare errors and varieties from this year are extremely valuable to collectors. The 1998 Lincoln Cent was minted at two locations: Philadelphia Mint, P. Mintmark, no mintmark shown. 5,032,155,000 minted. Denver Mint, D. Mintmark, 5,251,488,000 minted. Design of the 1998 Lincoln Cent. The 1998 Lincoln Cent follows the classic Lincoln Memorial design, which was used from 1959 to 2008. Obverse, front side. Portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor D. Brenner in 1909. In God We Trust, inscribed above Lincoln's head. Liberty, to the left, the date, 1998, on the right, with the D. Mintmark, for Denver, or no mintmark, for Philadelphia. Reverse, back side, features. The Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo in 1959, United States of America, along the top, E pluribus unum, centered above the memorial, 1 cent, inscribed at the bottom. One of the key varieties in the 1998 Lincoln Cent is the wide AM versus close AM reverse design, which can make certain coins extremely valuable. Rarity and value of the 1998 Lincoln Cent. The value of a 1998 Lincoln Cent depends on its condition, grade, and whether it has a rare variety or error circulated condition. Worn coins, face value, $0.01, slightly better condition, 2 cents, $0.05. Since over 10 billion pennies were produced in 1998, regular circulated coins hold little extra value unless they have an error. Uncirculated condition, high-grade coins, MS-60 to MS-64, 25 cents, $1 MS-65, nice luster. Few marks $3, $10 MS-66, well-struck, highly collectible $15, $25 MS-67, near flawless, scarce $50, $150 MS-68, extremely rare, investment grade $1,000, plus auction highlight. In 1998, D. Lincoln Cent. Graded MS-68 by PCGS sold for over $2,000. Rare errors and varieties of the 1998 Lincoln Cent. Some 1998 Lincoln Cents contain errors and varieties that make them highly valuable. Here are the most important ones to look for. 1. 1998 wide AM versus close AM reverse variety. In 1998, 1999, and 2000, some pennies were struck with a proof-style reverse, leading to the wide AM variety. On normal business strike coins, the letters A and M in America should be very close together, close AM. However, a small number of 1998 pennies were mistakenly struck with a wide AM, where the A and M are farther apart. Value of 1998 wide AM penny, circulated condition, $10, $50. MS-65, $100, $200. MS-67, highest grades over $1,000, auction highlight. In 1998 wide AM Lincoln Cent in MS-67 sold for over $2,300. 2. 1998 double die obverse, DDO, error. Some 1998 Lincoln Cents feature noticeable doubling on Lincoln's ear, the motto, or the date. Value, $50 to $500 plus, depending on clarity in grade. 3. Off-center strike error, a coin that was struck off-center, making part of the design missing. The more extreme the off-center shift, the higher the value. $50, $300 plus 4. Clipped planchet error. If a piece of metal was missing during minting, the coin may have a crescent-shaped clip, value, $30, $200 if you think you have a rare variety or error. Getting it authenticated by PCGS, NGC, or ANACS is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1998 Lincoln Cent. If you have a 1998 Lincoln Cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare varieties, wide AM, double dies, and major errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Get it graded. If you have a high-grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1998 Lincoln Cent is a modern coin with hidden treasures for collectors. While most are only worth face value, certain rare varieties and high-grade specimens can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1998 Lincoln Cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.